must bleach your skin, make sure you do it the right way. This video is not to promote skin bleaching. I am just here to guide you on how to use specific lightening products and how to do it the right way. Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lazy and Kimberly. Today's video is another skincare video. I miss creating skincare videos. I'm going to guide you on how to safely and properly lighten your skin the right way without using harsh chemicals. I'm going to share steps and tips on how to properly lighten your skin. Using skin lightening products has to be constantly. You can't just stop. Once you stop for like a month or months, your skin will revert back to its original shape. So you want to make sure you are constant with the skin lightening product, but don't abuse it. First of all, skin lightening product will always give you dark knuckles and dark elbows. So you just want to make sure you massage it into those out part of your body. And skin lightening is different from skin brightening. The products are also different. The ingredients are also different. So you want to have a skincare routine. That's the first step. You need to have a routine for your face and your body, because the skin on our body is different from the one on our face. So that's the first step you need to take. Have a different skincare routine for your face and your body. Also want to make sure you cleanse your skin. Use a toner, use a moisturizer, cleanse your skin. Make sure you deep cleanse your skin. Make sure you exfoliate your skin. Use a body scrub. Don't use a face scrub. Don't use a face scrub on your face. Don't even use a body scrub on your face. You want to make sure you exfoliate your skin. There are exfoliants you can use. You can also use a toner. You can use a glycolic and rose water toner. You can also use the rice water toner and use a body scrub. Don't use a face scrub on your face. Use a body scrub. There is a salt scrub. There is a sugar scrub. I think it's best for you to use like the turmeric and the carrot scrub. It's okay. The papaya scrub as well. It's okay. Take a break. You can take a 3 weeks or 2 weeks break from your lightening products. Take a break from your lightening products, and when taking a break, you make sure you use a skin repair product. That is when your shea butter comes in. I always emphasize on shea butter, aloe vera gel, coconut oil, almond oil, carrot oil, turmeric oil. Make sure you include natural skin lightening products, natural skin repair products, which is shea butter. Shea butter is very good for the body. So once you're taking a break from your skin lightening products for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, make sure you start using your moisturizing cream and you start using natural products. You start taking your ginger, your carrot shots, your supplements, your vitamin C, your vitamin E. We have vitamin D in Nigeria, but we just want to make sure you take your glutathione as well. Make sure you use the right supplement. Don't go and get the kojic acid, the fake supplements. When getting your skin lightening product, you also want to check the ingredients. Make sure you check the ingredients. It's very important. You get ingredients that contain some certain things like kojic acid, glycolic acid, glycolic acid, hydroquinone, vitamin C, and that hydroquinone, a little amount of hydroquinone. You don't want to get too much to damage your skin. Just a little amount of hydroquinone to clear dark spots. What I would recommend for lightening is the kojic sand soap, the cream as well, the papaya soap, papaya extract, the Ashanti as well, the skin success products. So you want to make sure you get this product for lightening. And don't forget, lightening is different from brightening. You also want to make sure you get a mild body lotion. Don't get the ash one. And once you're using your body lotion, make sure you add your body oil. To get the carrot oil, the turmeric oil, the papaya oil. You add this into your skin. You also use it to moisturize your skin. You deeply massage it into your skin, especially the hard part of your skin, like your elbow, your knee. You apply the products into your skin. You massage it into your skin. The last tips is what you take inside reflect on the outside. So you want to make sure you eat balanced diet, you stay hydrated, and you get enough hours of sleep. If you don't get enough hours of sleep, you're going to have dark under eyes. Even if you use your lightening product or your under eye, you're going to get dark under eyes. Your face is going to look dull and rough if you don't get enough hours of sleep. You also want to make sure you take your fruits. Like I said before, you want to make sure you take your supplement, the right supplement. You take your fruit. You can't be taking pizza, you can't be taking ice cream and so many chocolates when you're using some certain products. And don't forget to take your ginger, carrot and turmeric shots every day for skin brightening, which is going to help with your skin. Also protect your skin from the sun. Even if you're not using a lightening product, you want to make sure you protect your skin from the sun. It's safer for you to use a lightening product at night. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you have a question, leave it in a comment below. If you have other tips, please share with us, and I hope to see you in more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in more of my videos. Bye.